Prayer for finances. God, I surrender my finances into your hands. I release the worries, anxieties, and uncertainties that are burning in my heart. I trust in your divine provision and your faithfulness to provide for all my needs. In this moment, I choose to let go of my own understanding and plans. I acknowledge that you are the ultimate source of wisdom and guidance when it comes to my finances. I surrender the desire to control and manipulate outcomes, and instead I choose to trust in your perfect timing and your abundant provision. Help me to have faith even in times of financial uncertainty. Fill my heart with peace and assurance, knowing that you are my provider and my sustainer. Give me the strength to be content in every financial circumstance, whether in abundance or in need. Lord, teach me to be a good steward of the resources you have entrusted to me. Grant me the wisdom to make sound financial decisions, the discipline to live within my means, and the generosity to give to others as you lead me. May I always remember that everything I have comes from you, and may I use it to glorify your name. Thank you for your unfailing love and care. I trust that you will meet all my needs according to your riches in glory. I lay my fears and doubts at your feet, confident that you are more than able to provide for me. In Jesus' name, I pray. Amen.